The secret to shooting filmic or cinematic isn't upgrading your camera. It's actually upgrading this. Most of us think better videos come from better cameras. New body, new lens, new gears. But I've shot good cameras that still look like it was shot on a phone. You'll see later. And that's when it hit me. It was never about the camera. The thing is, I realized this while filming for a long time. So I think this is a good time to share with you that it's not all about the cameras or the lens. People might also overlook this piece of gear which makes a big part of your image and image quality. So to give you a little bit of context, when I started out, I upgraded this first before upgrading my latest camera. Not because I know this already at that time, but because this is cheaper to upgrade and I don't have the budget yet to upgrade to cameras I have now. And what I'm talking about is this. It's about the lighting. This is the Neewer HB80C. A good camera without good light still looks bad. This is why some shots feels like a film. Even a simple setup with intentional lighting can give you that filmic vibe or cinematic. When we started creating, we chased resolution, dynamic range, and codecs. But what we're really missing is shape, depth, and mood. And all of that comes from light. Instead of fixing shots in post, I fixed them before I hit record. In my eyes, it should already look good while filming, so when I edit it in post, I will just drag my personal power grade, or my LUTs. So when I'm shooting, I think about where the light falls, what it reveals, and what it hides. That one change made my shot feel intentional. What I like about this light is how flexible it is. Bicolor and RGB when I need mood, strong enough to shape a subject, small enough to move fast, and it fits into my workflow without slowing me down. Cinematic doesn't come from sharpness. It comes from contrast, from shadows, from where the light isn't. Light tells the story before the subject even moves. A light from the side can create more dramatic look. A soft top light can make a scene feel calm, neutral, and very flat. And there's actually a lot of ways to shape your subject using just this tool. You can also change the color and suddenly the emotion shifts. But it's not always light that makes the video cinematic. It's all about composition, framing, depth, and of course, story and emotions. So if you're looking for a light to just make things brighter, this might be overkill. But if you want control, mood, direction, and tension, there's no better option than this. You don't need to upgrade your camera to shoot cinematic. Upgrade your lights and know how to shape to the emotions or the vibe of your shoot. Yung Latin mood spot. One.
Ito mga TikTok morphic.
Hindi na mahalata eh.
Ano? Masingit lang yung flares eh.